Kind of uncertain what the conditions of this road are going to be, but we're about to find out. Fuck.
So we gotta go all the way back.
Dude, I'm behind you there now. Holy shit! That's the way to do it, brother. Whew. You made that bitch. You made a senior bitch. That's awesome. God, I wish I'd had my camera.
Well, we all made it. For now. Woo, baby. Man, Tyler just an expert on this stuff. Hey, look at that. Cactus have roots. You know that? I feel like super hot in here all of a sudden. Oh, Ben, you got this, bro. God damn, bro. Kill me. And I'll tell you what, that was a near impossible lift for me by myself in that really loose sand. It was tough, man. Definitely gonna drink a beer after that one. Yeah, if I was by myself, I don't know that I could have got out on that sand, honestly. Even Tyler, it looked like it took a two-man lift. This very well could be the hardest section we hit. We had to go up the Arroyo because the road was blocked off and washed out. Gross.
Proud of you.
I'm proud of you, Ben! We good? I don't know if I like that. Dudes with guns out in the woods, out in the cacti. That's kind of random. We're in the middle of nowhere. Very strange. I feel very secure. Very, very secure. Wow, look at these new plants. These are these tall guys are a whole new cactus I haven't even seen before. There's like nests at the top of some of them. Whoa. Oh my god. Whoa. This is postcard stuff right here. Gentlefolk. Mountain shifting, hill climbage. Oh boy, I'm breathing heavy. I'm fogging up my visor with my hot breath. Man, these other ones are weird. I bet you that's what the Grinch's wiener looks like, is those big tall spiky guys. I'm waiting for the big reveal. Like around any corner this thing should be, I feel like. And it just keeps not being around a corner. Whoa! I definitely have had some close calls here. I do not want to eat a cactus. Thanks for waiting, Ben. Good guy right there. Oh my god, I think I see it. I think I see it. Woo, baby. Oh my God, we made it. Oh, I don't think there's a better time than now to thank the Jesus. Thank you, Mexican Party Jesus. We're here at Mission de San Francisco, La Bora. I know I'm screwing that up, but it's gorgeous. Let me show you around. Man, sand and hard rock, this is pretty intense. Whew. I'll tell you, dude, this is brutal, and I am spent. Thank goodness tomorrow's a rest day, because I need it. I'm looking for any excuse to sit down right now. Ooh, I got to pee too bad. Here's the turn that we need to get back to Bahia, Los Angeles. Whoa. Not a race. No.
Don't steer with your arms.
Just, yeah, you steer with your feet.
With your hips and your feet.
Yeah. You want to go left, you put weight on your left peg. You want to go right, put and get it.
What happens, so your front wheel is trying to find its way through the sand, and it will find its way through the sand. If you put force on your handlebars, you're stopping it from fixing itself.
Okay.
And you're causing the bike to upset itself by not letting it correct. And so you let the handlebars kind of do its own thing. You don't control the handlebars
At all.
You're controlling with your body weight, with your body weight through your feet. So if your bike starts to if it's starting to dodge one way or the other, you step on that peg and it's gonna.
You're not steering at all.
No, with your arms. I mean, you're basically just keeping your balance with your bars, but you're letting that wheel, that rudder, find its own way.
Man, I stood up in that section, did what they told me to, and it worked. Imagine that. Went faster, got back, stayed up, stayed loose on the handlebars. Isn't that amazing? When you listen, man, it's really great to be able to practice it too. Also, I was shifting my weight on the pegs, and that worked as well. I could really feel the difference. Oh baby, that's about the biggest reward I've ever had for a really hard ride. You know, a lot of times, like on the BDR, you go up a big summit or something and there might be a lookout tower or something, but I'll tell you what, that takes the cake. That mission and then a private tour, pretty incredible. Oh my God, is that the end of the hard stuff? Jesus Christ, I'm gonna be thanking my lucky stars when we fully get out of this section. Whew, shit. Oh boy, did I mention this is the hardest riding that I've ever done? But boy is it. I'll tell you what, our pace is pretty fast. We're covering some ground here. Ooh, that scared me. JD's ready to go fast. He must have to pee. I bet you JD has to pee. That looks like a man that's gotta go tinkle or poop. Just a very proper looking cactuses here. Back into the Grinch wieners. Oh, I felt that one in my back. Oh, whew. Dude, Mr. Dork in the Road is absolutely crushing it in Baja. Dude, we are both beat, and he is just still keeping a super fast pace and murdering that. Oh! And murdering that Tenere. I'm very impressed. So if any of you were thinking, hey, can Dork in the Road really ride? Could Dork in the Road really do Baja? He's doing it, people. Like a boss. Well, I'm pretty sure if I could do this, I could do the Oregon BDR. I'm definitely gonna have to call this expert level adventure riding. That is for sure. What an absolute incredible trip. I would never in a million years do this by myself either. I would have noped out of this so long ago. Well, folks, that was by far the hardest riding I've ever done in my life. I don't know if I mentioned that. I'm sure I have several times. The by far the hardest combined section in one. Both of those are definitely harder than anything on the Washington Beach. Oh! Bring me to the sea. Bring me to my cervezas and tacos and one.